Hi friends, welcome to TechnoStube. In this session we are discussing continuation of the last uploaded question and answer video for candidates of Junior Instructor Welder examination. We can start. The function of injector in low pressure blowpipe is the function of injector in low pressure blowpipe is high pressure oxygen draws acetylene and increases acetylene's velocity. Next, nozzles are generally made of copper because most of the welding nozzles and the nozzle tip all are made of copper because the main reason is rust will not happen or rust will not takes place. Is the right answer. The blowpipe fitted with the injector will prevent. The blowpipe fitted with the injector will prevent a reverse flow of acetylene gas. For removing water vapor from the acetylene gas, the material used is mainly two methods are using, one mechanical method and chemical method. In chemical method, for removing water vapor from the acetylene gas is pumic stone. Pumic stone metal is using. Glycerin is added to water in the hydraulic back pressure valve in order to answer is prevent freezing. Next, why acetylene cylinders should always be kept upright or vertical position? Why acetylene cylinders should always be kept upright or vertical position is to avoid the flow of acetone liquids along with the gas. Next, to set to oxidizing flame. For setting an oxidizing flame, we know that oxidizing flame, the ratio of oxygen is more with compared to the acetylene. For setting oxidizing flame, first we need to set neutral flame and then decreases the acetylene. Automatically the oxygen percentage, oxygen ratio will increases. So first set the neutral flame and decreases acetylene. That is the right answer. Which type of flames is used to weld brass? For welding brass, oxidizing flame is using. What is the maximum thickness of MS sheet that can be welded in leftward technique? For welding MS sheet in leftward technique, maximum thickness should be 5 mm. The angle of blowpipe to the line of weld in leftward weld technique. For leftward weld technique, the angle of blowpipe will be 60 to 70 degree. Next, copper should not be used in acetylene gas pipe because it will form that copper acetylates. That copper reacts with the acetylene and forms copper acetylates. It's very explosive also. That's the right answer. Next, the greatest amount of heat is produced. The greatest amount of heat is produced in an oxyacetylene flame at the greatest amount of heat is produced in the oxyacetylene flame at just ahead of inner core. The The purpose of fitting a hose protector is to avoid a return flow of gas to the cylinder. The maximum pressure of acetylene gas that can be compressed in a cylinder is the maximum pressure of acetylene gas should be 50 kg per centimeter square. The function of a gas regulator is to get different type of flames. The function of filler rod in gas welding. The function of filler rod in gas welding is to obtain additional elements. Next, the safety device used to protect the ice while grinding is chipping goggles. Name the flex used for brassing of MR sheet. Borax. Acetylene gas is dissolved in dash liquid in cylinder. Answer is acetone. The color code for identifying oxygen gas cylinder. For oxygen gas cylinder, the color is black in color. Oil and grease can react violently in contact with the high pressure of oxygen. When a hose protector is fitted, the gas can only flow cylinder to blow pipe. Right. Soldering is a method of joining two metal pieces by means of a third metal having a relatively dash melting temperature. We know that soldering. We are very familiar with the soldering process. Solder is a metal alloy of tin and lead. Is the process of joining of copper pad on PCB boards and lead from component by using solder wire. The solder wire melting temperature will be less than the temperature of other two metal pieces also. So the answer is low melting temperature. The flow of molten solder in the gap between the work pieces is driven by dash forces. Is driven by capillary force or capillary force. Solders melt at a temperature of how much degree? Soldering process is the temperature range of the soldering process is below 350 degrees Celsius. So the answer is below 350 degree or 660 degree Fahrenheit. Soldering flux has a melting point, dash the melting point of solder. Soldering flux has a low melting point than the melting point of the solder. brassing, the filler material melted at temperature dash the melting temperature of the material to be joined. Brassing operation. Brassing operation also similar to the soldering, but the temperature range is more than 350 degrees Celsius. And the joining of is the joining of two or more metal items by melting and flowing filler metal into the joint. This filler metal having lower melting temperature than the adjoining metals. Answer is low. Then in brassing, next soldering of MS sheet takes place at a temperature of soldering process. Also we know that is the temperature range is below 350. The answer is 250 degrees Celsius. One of the necessities of welding transformer is, we know that in welding transformer is mainly using step down transformer. In the step down transformer, the voltage, secondary voltage will be low and the current will be more. The answer is to reduce voltage and increase current. Which one of the following welding machine can supply AC or DC? Transformer rectifier can supply AC or DC. The value of open circuit voltage in manual metal arc welding process is how much volt? Is around 60 to 150 volt. Forge welding is classified as forge welding. Forging operation, we know that is related to pressure, and it's a non-fusion process also. So the answer is non-fusion welding with the pressure. If main electric supply is not available, we can do arc welding with the engine generator set. The amount of current setting for welding depends upon amount of current setting or more current required for more diameter electrodes, or answer is diameter of the electrode used. Amount of current setting for welding depends upon the diameter of electrode, not the thickness of the plate. While selecting straight polarity means direct current electrode negative. So the base metal is connected to the positive. Answer is base metal connected to positive side. The arc welding transformer is a dash transformer. Arc welding transformer is a step down transformer. The easy position to weld is flat position. During overhead welding, it is more convenient to use. For doing overhead welding, the welders should wear helmet. Next, the depth of fusion from the surface of the weld metal is known as fusion zone. Next, The electrode connected to the positive terminal. Electrode connected to positive terminal is known as a reverse polarity, and electrode connected to the negative is known as straight polarity. More spatters are due to spatters are it's a defect, it's a welding defect. It's due to low welding current. In DC supply, heat distribution is more at DC supply. The more heat will generate in the positive side or positive terminal. The effect of arc blow will be totally absent in the effect of arc blow. Arc blow, we know that is due to deflection of arc. Is caused by the distortion of magnetic field produced by an electric arc current when welding ferromagnetic steels. Is lack of imperfections can be caused through the uncontrolled deflections of arc is known as arc blow. Is fully absent in AC welding. The electrodes are manufactured in two standards length, mainly for 350 millimeter and 450 millimeter. Electrodes standard length is 350 millimeter and 450 millimeter. The lap joint has overlapping parts. Lap joint has overlapping parts. In the 5G position, pipe must be located in a dash axis, in a fixed horizontal axis, which is not coming under ferrous metal. Out of this, copper is not under ferrous metal, which is not an alloy. Out of this, iron is not an alloy. Steel is the alloy of iron and carbon. Brass is the alloy of copper and zinc. Stainless steel also same, iron and carbon. Now this iron is not an alloy. Which of these devices are acceptable and safe for lighting a welding torch? Out of this, spatter lighter. Spatter lighter is the right answer. It's for lighting a welding torch. What is the duty cycle of welding machine designed to operate continuously for 7 out of every 10 minutes? Answer is 70%. Name the instrument tool used for transferring and setting of distances. Transferring and setting of distances, wing compasses are using. Ammonium chloride is used as a flux for soldering which material? For soldering of steel. Name of the instrument used to check the perpendicularity of the branch pipe with the main pipe of a pipe T-joint. For checking the perpendicularity, tri-square is using. Which one of the following metals will not permit X-ray to pass through it? Answer is lead. The distance between the root and the toe of a fillet weld is called leg length. Thermite mixer used in thermite welding can be ignited with an initial temperature of. In thermite welding process, welding ignited with an initial temperature of minimum of 1200 degrees Celsius. Thank you.